Watch, watch, watch. Of the world, it's not a plan. Hear me, no, man? A franchise, the choosing one, the 10-star general. And you know every time I represent for Gaza, and you know a full effect. Watch me, no, man. You know each and every time I aim up, crank up, load up, and sound the big thing them and drop necessary equipment. Watch. Oh, my son, hear this. The reason why, come here jump straight night, you know. The reason why, you know, you not hear me as a man, you know. The reason why, you know, me as a man, you know, not like, you know, when you hear some man come and I try to compare Vybz Cartel with them local artists, you know why? Because you know no comparison to that, sir. And if you not go compare and talk the truth, you too. If you not go compare, you must be a compare skin bleaching. You must be a compare tattoo, extension in her ear, and probably post one picture and all them shit there. And a few look more gimmicks you can compare. But I don't know about no DJ thing when I compare about. Are the things them were surround it. Because you say if you try to compare DJ thing, there ain't no way you would compare none of them youth with Vybz Cartel. Cause otherwise you would disrespect the man fucking standard where him set. Otherwise you would disrespect the man foundation where him set in a dance hall. You see me? And the versatility where him bring to dance hall, you know what I mean? And you can't take away the man hard working labor like that. You see what I deal with? Because here we are going right now to the way of Vybz Cartel set dancehall hardcore. You know, no man can come here in a dancehall and add for 1 or 2 years and think him can make that comparison there. After man they are doing for 18 and 16, 17 years. Yo, the reason why, you know, every time the man them, you know, talk about Bounty Killer, them have to talk about being money. Because that's the comparison there. You see what I mean? And anytime the man them talk about being man, they have to talk about killer. Because the same comparison. You know what I mean? It match up, it add up. You know what I mean? Yeah. So I don't know how you can try to compare some man with Vybz Cartel. Listen to me. It's not like when the man them hot, you know, and the man them drop certain song. The song them break record and break what them man they have done before and run past that and set new record that we could have said, well then, yeah, them youth are wicked. You know what I mean? So, you don't know who no want to try to compare. You know what I mean? You compare a man at the best season a man have, you can label it out, you can identify it and best season that. Them got the man who not try to compare man with them. Them man they have season after season in a season.
Church Avenue.
And all the material evidence them there to prove that, you know. Then I have to go compare a Vybz Cartel. You must have to go call them over the name. You have to go call an assassin. You have to go call a busy signal, a idona, and them dynamic artists they have to adopt because those artists made the transition from just an ordinary artist into a big household artist. You know what I mean? Them artists, they will not call them them. It's not all of them run down high, but them set them foundation in a dance hall and they maintain that because music of all good, all genre of the world. You know what I mean? The man them understand so the hardcore dancehall thing and the high thing and Vybz Cartel thing. Them not go run past that. But the man them set a space in a dancehall for them own self. One can't remove them from that. You know what I mean? So we're not gonna say them artists them are successful. Business in that. Agent Sasko. Them are successful.
Church Avenue. Transfer is available to the D train.
I'm telling you something. And the hype one you go ask, ask where you get tricked. Hype ask where you get tricked. The hype make you go like that, you don't know nothing about long term. You know what I mean? So when the general come and say, oh, do not try for
This is
size
a
up,
Manhattan-bound
and
local
those
train.
are the
The
reason
next
why.
stop is Parkside
We don't
Avenue.
know enough for come size up.
Stand clear of the closing
You
doors,
know what I mean?
please.
Where are the transition where they make? Research and Popcorn make the transition from a normal artist to a big artist. So watch him make the transition. Because first some people that say can't perform good on the stage. And the man make the transition and I tear down the whole world right now. Right now, Mr. Massacre make the transition right in front of the eye. You know see it? Remember all of our owners say be a gun song you can do and be a wickedness and them shit. Look on the transition of the youth and make and tear down the whole place. First and foremost, let me tell them this, Vybz used to run hardcore dancehall thing. And when Beenie Man and Bounty Killer coming out dancehall and come with a clashing thing, then Vybz make the transition from the artist there and turn and go reggae and teal. Why you think him so dynamic? And still run Jamaica, I go reggae, The world, not Jamaica alone, the world, You know what I mean? And though all of us watch Bounty Killer and Beenie Man make that transition there. Meanwhile, them clashing thing and go and them still make that transition there. And them go out and do them do numerous of international hits with some great artists from all over the world. So with the transition with them I make. Tell me what the transition with them I make. You know what I mean? Yeah, and for all Terror Dan, you say kartel like you want to say a kartel, I say I him make alkaline. Let me ask you something, Terror Dan. With the transition there, where alkaline make that you must put him up against Vybz kartel. With the transition we make. Because the best era 2016 and before him passed that, it gone backward. You know what I mean? Because this 2018 it's not a season like 2016 and best season that. You know what I mean? 2017 and 2018 are ordinary thing. It doesn't keep him relevant. That not make him hot. 2016 him smoking hot, red hot like lava. You know what I mean? Where the transition we make from that. You know what I mean? You know see Gully God. You know see the transition we make. You never see a big gangster for life thing and wickedness and them thing. You know see the transition we make. We must sing for everybody and them platform get bigger. Eh? Those are the things we're supposed to watch in our artists and stop run down hype. You know what I mean? No run down hype because it's not last long. You hear that? You think they can get out busy signal? You think they can get out assassin and them out hype? And them you can sing hype music. World class music they sing. So anyway, go and draw that the crowd I go and hear that. I'm telling you something, you know, mix up hype, you know what I mean, with long term, you know, mix up hype with solid foundation, hype, build a solid foundation, that in the end of the day, man, can say rare, you know what I mean, you're predominant, you know what I mean, not just me, but the whole dancehall fraternity all over the world, and anywhere you go, and you say rare. You know what I mean? You know, see busy go to Africa, you know, see how much people lead out the virgin. Yeah? You know, see a suit military if you run the street. The virgin all the prime minister and everything they come out. Yeah? You think a lollipop thing? We don't play with the youth, them thing until the youth them a lollipop thing. They are going to put some up 1, 2, 3 year artists and size up yourself against big man artists. You think I saw them thing them up. Why you supposed to size up the man against him? What them do? Why you size them up against him? Is it that them done bigger song than them artists so them fly around them and plan? Them put in the type of work where them artists are put in? Or is just the hype on our own? Them artists, them been there, done that. and still them out and do them thing. The artists that been there done that how many times and still them out and do them thing and still and do classic music same way. I'm telling you something. I just love run on the hype man, full of lollipop thing. You know the general, the tech star and you know how I think already. You know I'm not doing lollipop thing. You know each and every time I'm so believe in them and drop necessary equipment, you know I load explode. Man now feeling and a cussing thing and a bag of hype thing with me. Can't tell you no easy and calm because you can't beat me to this because you know this like me. You know horror come up, you know, that's why I just be hype on the road. Anyway, the general, the 10th.